The overall goal of this acupuncture manipulation education system, or AMES, is to provide a platform for students to enhance the skills required for acupuncture needle manipulation using visuomotor learning.
This method can help answer key questions in the field of acupuncture training, such as visualization and standardization of acupuncture needle manipulation movements. The main advantage of this technique is that it visually presents the motion pattern of hand movement for the improvement of the performance, and use phantom acupoints that feels the same as human acupoints.
We first had the idea for this method when we saw students having a hard time grasping a number of acupuncture manipulation skills, which is why differences exist in acupuncture manipulation among doctors. The method is helpful in manipulating acupuncture needles correctly.
To construct phantom acupoints, add 0.75 grams of agarose to 15 milliliters of distilled water, and warm the solution in the microwave for 20 seconds until the agarose becomes transparent. While wearing gloves to avoid burns, divide the agarose gel into 2 milliliter aliquots in 5 tubes and seal them. Carefully position the tubes standing up straight and incubate at room temperature for 2 hours. To evaluate the degree of stimulation and biomechanical force of newly created phantom acupoints, after positioning an acupuncture needle within a hole located